boxes. So JavaScript dialogues. We have three dialog boxes in our JavaScript. So what is dialog, sir? Dialog is a small pop-up window. It is a small pop-up window. So we have total three types of dialog boxes. One is the alert box, second one is the confirm box, and third one is the prompt box. Alert box, confirm box, prompt box. So these are the three types of dialogues. Three types of dialogues. Dialog means a small window. It's a pop-up window because suddenly it will comes like this. A small box is comes, white color box. So three types of boxes: alert box available, confirm box available, prompt box also available. So the first one is alert box. What is the use of alert box, sir? If you want to display any message to user, either output or data, anything. So if you want to display any kind of data, either string message or calculations results or something like that, then we can use the alert box. So displaying some information to user. And how to display this, sir? Here is the syntax. Window dot alert followed by write your message, is your text or expression, anything. Alert followed by some text or expression. Yesterday, what are the calculations we did? Those all the calculations you can write inside this box. No problem. Regular messages, hi, hello, welcome, like that also you can write. So window dot alert of message or expression. Can I use the HTML tags as a three dialog boxes not supports the HTML tags? In three dialog boxes, we should not use any HTML activities. Not allowed. By chance, if you write that one, sir, your tag as easily printing in the output. Next, second box, confirm box. Nothing but an confirmation box. Confirm box is nothing but an confirmation box. So taking the confirmation from the users. I want to take some confirmation from the user. Then use this box. Which confirmation, sir? Simple. User trying to do something. User they're trying to do some work in our web page. Uh, whatever what are the works are? Maybe they're deleting some text, or maybe they're going to log out, or maybe they're deleting some images or videos or something like that. So before performing the logout or deletion operations, ask the user once confirmation. You want to do this one? Really want to perform this operation? Cross checking. Confirmation is nothing but an cross checking. And the syntax is this one. Window dot confirm followed by write your message. Which question you want to ask the user? Ask the question. So in this confirm box, we'll get the two buttons. One is the OK button. Second one is the cancel button. If you click the OK, then it is taking as an acceptance. If you click the cancel, it is taking as a rejection. If user they click on OK button, sir, and they accepted. User they selected or clicked on cancel button, sir, they rejected it. So while performing of any operations by the user, you want to cross check it, then you can go for this one. And this is also coming from window object only, window.alert and window.confirm. And what is this variable, sir? User which button they clicked, okay na, cancel na. A button value stored into this variable. Is it necessary? Yes, sir. But which button user clicked without knowing, we can't perform the further operations. So first we should know what are the button they selected. Based on the button, we are deciding next to which logic we have to execute, which logic we have to skip it. So compulsory a button value. OK means true, cancel means false. That value stored into this variable. Next, third one, prompt. So the third one is the prompt. What is the purpose of this one, sir? To take the input value from the user. This is to take the input value from the users. On a HTML, the text box is available. So how the text box is used to take the input from user? It is also used the same purpose. Input values, accepting the data from user. As usual, here also something syntax is like this. Something variable equals to window.prompt followed by text comma default value. Default value is not compulsory, but you should ask the text. So which value you are expecting? Enter X value, enter Y value, enter Z value, enter first name, enter last name. That message you can write here. So what are the data user given? The data stores into this variable. By chance, if user not given any values, blank it is going to store in here. If user given the data, the given data is stores. User is not given the data, the blank is going to stores. So three dialog boxes as well as three functions. Three dialog boxes as well as the three functions. Alert box created by the alert function. Confirm box created by the confirm function. Prompt box created by the prompt function. So three functions are creating the three dialog boxes. Three dialog boxes are used for the three purposes. Alert for displaying the data to user, prompt for taking the data from the user, confirm for cross-checking with the user activity. So one input operation, one output operation, one cross-checking operations. And all these three functions are coming from the same object, window object. You know, I think window writing is not compulsory. Remember? And inside these three functions, we should not use any HTML tag. But yesterday program also, write method inside I used the PR tag, something like that. Like that, we should not use any HTML tags inside three functions. And these three functions, in the next six functions available, sir. A total 9 functions are called as the JavaScript Global Functions Center. What are the global functions of the JavaScript? One of the FAQ also that one. So alert to, prompt to, confirm, next upcoming parse integer, parse flow to, open, set timeout to, set interval, print to, close. Total 9 functions available. These 9 functions are the global functions of the JavaScript. Global functions. A simple thing, sir. Window object to what are the functions they are providing? That all are the global functions. Window object providing everything is the global. Now see the demonstration. So demo on alert. So first one I am going to using alert. Original syntax is this one, window dot alert followed by, take the quotations, any of the quotations and write something message. Hello world. So this is the first dialog box, window dot alert. Now see the output. A small white color box is the alert box, dialog box and this one. And the box inside your message is available here. Okay. The remaining HTML output. So why it is displaying while loading of the page, sir? Because this statement we developed inside script tag. Script tag in the sense internal script. Internal script is executed always while loading of the page. Like JavaScript executed two timings. Remember, starting first to second, third example, I mentioned that point. JavaScript, if you develop any JavaScript, they're able to execute only in the two timings or two situations only. One, by loading of the page. Second one, if any event is triggered by the user. If event is triggered, then only JavaScript is calling. Otherwise, if you load the page, then JavaScript is calling. Voice, not remember. Next, I'm writing one more alert. Alert followed by, like as yesterday's procedure, I'm writing some expressions. No problem, sir. So product is concatenation operator 15 multiplied with the 12. It works 100%, no problem. Refresh. This is the first alert. Okay. And this is the second alert. Okay. Next one, alert followed by some apple, line break, some mango, line break, some orange. What is the output of this one? So apple, mango, orange, displaying in three lines. Alert inside apple, mango, orange, displaying in three lines or not? Huh? Huh? They are displaying a not a answer. No. So just I said that two times we can't use the HTML tags any. So but I used that HTML tag. What happens here, sir? And your tag as easily displaying in the message. So tag not accepted. It is considered as a string. You just get like this. Quotations inside you type together. Errors not comes. Because quotation inside if you write anything that becomes as a string. So no errors as easily displaying on the screen. Madam, last day. Thank you. సన్ దాని మీద అది వచ్చి నా కళ్ళు పడుతుంది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అది సో ఇఫ్ యూజ్ ఎనీ HTML tags inside the alert or inside any of these three dialog box and no errors, sir. At the same time, no special output. They're just treated as a string and directly displaying on the page. Next, the second one, confirmation I'm going to introducing. Confirmation box. So window dot confirm. This is taking the confirmation from the user or cross-checking with the user activity. So user, they're trying to do something in the web page. Now I have the doubt as a developer. They want to do that one, or by mistake they selected that option. I have doubt as a developer. So go and ask the user simple thing. That go and asking is called as the confirmation. But suppose user trying to log out the application, or user trying to close the application, or user trying to press the back button. Generally, if I press the uh, back button, some of the apps what happens are at closing. Back option not works. Back button in the sense application is going to closing. A lot of apps available in your mobile. They're asking confirmation is asking really want to do this one. So that is the confirmation means here. Uh, you want to exit, or you want to close it, or you want to delete it. Ask that one question. Or you want to log out. Simple thing. Question mark. Symbolic. Now the confirmation box is comes with two buttons. You want to log out? Yes. Okay means yes. No means cancel. So okay means you have to take as a acceptance. Cancel means rejecting. But which button user pressed? How we know that, sir? In syntax explain before variable level. So this function returning a value, boolean value. You're the coding students, you know very well. Value returning. A returned value I'm storing into my variable here. So which button you clicked, that button value storing into this X. I want to see that X, sir. So write the document dot write followed by. So okay, true. Refresh, cancel, false. Next, developers what they are doing, sir. Just an idea purpose I'm writing. If x equals to true, then they're writing the close window. I'm just showing overview of it. So what is that logout? Run logout code. And else, sir. Else, nothing to do. This is not program. I'm just showing outline. So take the value of x, check that x value is true now, then execute the logout logic. No, sir, it's a false, sir. Without doing anything, stay on the same page. A further implementation. Here I'm just taking opinion. Based on the opinion, next code we have to build it. Next code we have to develop it. It's just idea purpose I wrote it. So this is confirmation. Do you want to delete this item, or do you want to log out the app, or do you want to close this one? Do you want to proceed to payment? Like that we'll get the lot of cases, small boxes inside. One message is comes, that is called as confirmation. Next one, third box, prompt. Third one is prompt. So this is taking input from the user, same as to one scanning function, sir. JavaScript's own scanning function. Other languages, scanner classes, scanner function, how we are using. This is the JavaScript's own function to read the values from the users. Your point of view, what is runtime values or dynamic values? So it is something you are pronouncing runtime values, dynamic values. So this is which value you need. You can ask here. Enter the name. I'm asking the user. Enter the name. What are the name user given? Where it is stored, sir? That we have to store into one variable. Let n equals to this one. So which name user given, that name is stored into n variable. If user not given any name, sir, blank. The value of n is blank. Just for confirmation, the really data received as successfully or not, I'm printing that n, see that. Refresh. This is the one box also waiting for your typing. So suppose Rama, okay, and this is your data. The Rama stored into this N, and the N I'm printing on the screen. Next refresh. You can type anything. It's a text box only, sir. Any data we can type. If I'm not typed any data, what happens, sir? If I didn't type any data, if I'm not entered any data, what happens, sir? Blank. Nothing I'm typed here. Directly okay. Not visible, sir. Blank, sir. Blank not visible anywhere. Next refresh. I'm going to clicking on the cancel button. What happens, sir? Cancel button always returns the null. 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 Whenever you click the cancel button, 100% they returns the null value only. Here data not available, then only null comes as a. No, no, no. Even if you type the data also, cancel button is null only. Cancel button lifelong null. Are you typed data na or not typed? I don't want null. Okay button, sir. If you type the data, your data only it returns. If you didn't type any data, blank returns. So total possibility values are three. Either given text or blank or null. So what is the value of n, sir? Maybe the given data. If they are not given any data, empty, or they clicked on the cancel button, null. These are the three possible values of the n. Next one, let followed by a equals to prompt followed by I'm asking enter age. Enter age. And here I'm taking some 0. So what is this 0, sir? Default value. First one I'm now to use it, that one. Second one I introduce it. This is the default value. So what is the advantage, sir? But in this first box, without typing the data, if you click the OK, what happens? Huh? Nulla. Blank here. Cancel null here. Blank returns. But a blank I want to stop. I want to stop the blank. Then this 0 is going to help. So without entering the data, without typing the data, if you directly click on OK, 0 returns instead of blank. So that is default value. If user not given data, this data is activated. We'll check that also here. Put this one also in comment. I'm typing some 45. Okay. Refresh. I'm clicking on cancel. Null. Refresh. I'm not typing any data, directly OK. That is 0. Empty not comes. Empty place 0 is comes. Very small difference. But now both steps I'm executing at a time. So name, age, both I'm printing on the same time here. Name, concatenation operator, space, one space, again concatenation operator, age, again concatenation operator, years, older. So name, so years, older. The name, age, I'm just displaying as a sentence formation. So Ramarao, 40 years older. That is. But why this space, sir? But if I'm not using this space, like yesterday I observed that Rama plus Rao, what will get Rama Rao with the space or without space? I need space, then only manually I give in the space. So name and age between space. If I write like this, sir, it is also working. But name and age both are combining. So see that Rama, okay, okay. Second date I'm not typed anything. So we got the default value 0. So Rama 0 is older. Next refresh. I'm not typing anything, sir. Okay. Okay. Empty 0 years older. First one I'm not typed anything. Empty. Second one also I'm not typed anything. But default value 0. Next cancel. Cancel. What happened? Null years older. Two nulls వస్తాయి. Cancel lifelong returns the null value అని మెన్షన్ కదా సార్. మరి ఇంక వై థింకింగ్ ఎందుకు మరి ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు? క్లియర్లీ మెన్షన్ క్యాన్సిల్ లైఫ్ లాంగ్ రిటర్న్స్ ద నల్ అని. అంటే లైఫ్ లాంగ్ అంటే టుడే నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ దట్ లైఫ్. null years older. Now the total program running once, sir. So all program I'm running at a time. Refresh. This is the first elect. This is the second elect. This is the third elect. And this is the confirmation. And this is the first prompt. The true first answer. This remaining is the second answer. So these are the three dialog boxes. So if you want to display any message to user, use the elect. If you want to take the data from user, use the prompt. You want to check the confirmation, cross-checking with the user, so then go for the prompt. And all functions are coming from the window object, and all these are the global functions. Moving to the next one, sir. Two more global functions I am going to introducing. Three completed, another two also coming. So the next one is parsing. Another small topic. Parsing. Data parsing, amma. Parsing in the sense data parsing. I hope you know because you have already some coding knowledge here. Parsing. So every language using parsing compulsory, but language to language syntax is different. So what is the meaning of parsing, sir? Changing the data from string format to the numeric format. Changing the data string format to numeric format. Or changing the data from string format to the original data type format. Numeric, if you have any problem, numeric place you can write the actual data type format. So data available in string format, sir. That string format data I want to change into the original data type format. And inside the string which data available, exactly data type format I want to change it. A changing process is called as the parsing. So typecasting. Typecasting different, parsing different, sir. Both not same. You are feeling typecasting, huh? No, typecasting concept different. A big topic. Parsing is small topic. Typecasting, different concept. In JavaScript, we don't have any typecasting because typecasting, if you want to perform it, you should data types required. Without data types, typecasting is not possible. But here we are not using any data types together. So explicitly typecasting not performs. Typecasting concept completely different. Parsing concept completely different. Don't combine the both. Both are not same. Really, maybe somebody is misunderstanding both are same. Like as yesterday's operator style, bot masu, over masu, aura masu, something like that. No sir, 100% don't feel like that. Typecasting means what? And if you want to change the one data type to any other data type, one data type changing into any other data type, that is called as typecasting. Parsing means not any other data type. Your data must be in the string format, compulsory. First type is compulsory string, not other data types. So string data changing into original data type format, the actual data type format. That is called as parsing. But typecasting what, sir? Any one data type, any data. So any one data type changing into any other data type, any other data type. This is called as the typecasting. Who is this data type, sir? Any of that one. Who is this data type, sir? Any of that one. Average in every programming language, average 8 data types available. Here we can use any of that 8 data types, and here we can use any of that 8 data types. Average 8 data types ఉంటాయి. Integer, long, double, boolean, byte, short, float, something like character. 8 data types to 8 data types, any data type to any data type we can change it. That is called as typecasting. But here what I'm doing, sir, my first data type compulsory string, no any other data types. Data compulsory string. This string we are changing into the original data type format. And the first data type, not any data type, only strings. So both are not same. No, if you feel both are same, God only saves you, not me. So మళ్ళీ typecasting లో we have lot of typecastings, మళ్ళీ subcategories are available. Narrow casting available, broadcasting available, upcasting available, downcasting available. Lot of castings are available. I also knows little bit Java point of view I'm saying. So typecasting is a big topic. Parsing is a small piece ante. When you are following the typecasting, we should follow the lot of rules and regulations. Narrowcasting, broadcasting, and upcasting, downcasting available. Upcasting means lower data types converting into upper data types. Downcasting ante upper data types are converting into lower data types. So uppers converting into lower data types, sir. It's not supported all times. But lower converting into upper data types, sir, it is supported always. Well, casting rules and regulations are available. In our programming languages, you have the detailed topic. You're going to learning that one compulsory as every programming student. But if you want to work with that explicitly data types, you have to use. But which language not supported the data types? So those languages explicit casting is not available. Internally system overhauling, because we are not writing the data types anywhere. So data should be in string compulsory. If you are taking any data, that must comes in the string. The string we are changing into integer format, or the string we are changing into float format, or the string we are changing into double format. This is called as a string. The first data type compulsory string only, not any other data type, only string. Second data type is string inside which data available as per the data we are changing into that model. So parsing and character change. Parsing in the sense character change. Typecasting in the sense gender change. Difference. Parsing అంటే జస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ చేంజ్ అంటే హీరో ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ విలన్ రోల్ ప్లేయింగ్ హీరోనే బట్ నెగిటివ్ షేడ్ క్యారెక్టర్ బిఫోర్ ఇంటర్వెల్ రియలైజేషన్ వై రియలైజేషన్ సార్ అంటే మేబీ హీరోయిన్ డైడ్ ఆర్ సమ్ పబ్లిక్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ ఆర్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ కిల్డ్ బై ది సమ్ అదర్ గ్యాంగ్ దెన్ హీరో చేంజింగ్ ద good character. This is transforming of the character. So first of the movie he is playing as a negative role. Second of the movie he is playing as a hero role. Same character, same dressing style, same thing. And typecasting at a complete gender changing. So boy to girl or girl to boy or any special category, whatever it is. That is called as typecasting. In this parsing, how many types available, sir? We have two types of parsing, sir. Auto parsing or manual parsing. Auto parsing in the sense implicit, system performing. We don't need to worry about that one. Manual parsing means we have to perform ourselves. So, if the system performing the parsing operation, that is called as the auto parsing. Auto parsing. If programmer is performing that one, it is called as the manual parsing. But system performing like a temper. Abba, ఏం చెప్పాడు స్వామి నా జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ మూవీ టెంపర్ మూవీ ఇస్ దేర్ నా దట్ ఈస్ పార్సింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ యాజ్ ఎ నెగటివ్ రోల్ supporting to rowdy gang, villains gang, not helping to public innocent. So second half realization started. Now reverse to the villain gangs. The parsing and typecasting example కూడా ఉంటాయి మనకి some of the movies లో heroes lady character playing చెప్పలెక్కడి పంప లాంగ్ బ్యాక్ సూపర్ హిట్ కామెడీ మూవీ జంజాల డైరెక్టర్ నరేష్ హీరో ఎనీబడి నోనా all boys converting into girls converting into boys. Still also you are getting that video clips in YouTube. Your generation peoples knows or not, I don't know that one. Next, Mana Rajendra Prasad movie is also available. Couple of a lady character played on lady getup. But ఇప్పుడు upcoming Mana Daska Masu Vishwat Sen movie also. Laila, upcoming movie. In that movie, he is also playing as a lady character. Promos not observed. మనకి మై చైల్డ్హుడ్ డేస్ వన్ మూవీ ఇస్ దేర్ ఈవివి సత్యనారాయణ అనుకుంటా డైరెక్టర్ చెంబలికడి పంప అని మూవీ నేమ్ అండ్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ పర్టికులర్ ఇన్ దట్ విలేజ్ హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఆల్ మేన్స్ ఆర్ కన్వర్టింగ్ ఇన్ టు ఫీమేల్స్ ఆల్ ఫీమేల్స్ ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఇన్ సింగిల్ ఫ్యామిలీ ద హోల్ సిటీ అనమాట సో ట్రీట్మెంట్ డిఫరెంట్లీ ఉంటుంది అనమాట సో పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే వీడియోలు యూట్యూబ్ లో క్లిప్స్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి సూపర్ ఉంటుంది కామెడీ నవేడేస్ జనరేషన్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్ నాట్ నో ఐడియా సో హీరో హూ సార్ అంటే మన నరేష్ జూనియర్ కాదు సీనియర్ నరేష్ పవిత్ర లోకేష్ నరేష్ ఆయన హీరో ఆయన మన సంక్రాంతి మూవీలో సీఎం క్యారెక్టర్ ప్లేడ్ కదా వెంకటేష్ సంక్రాంతి మూవీ సీఎం ఆయన హీరో ఈజ్ ద హీరో సో he's the hero. The movie played 365 days in theaters. See how much hit that is. 1 year he's running in the theaters. A normal person movie. That is, it's a trendsetter movie on matter. Implicit and explicit parsing. When system performing the implicit parsing, sir, while performing of the any type of subtractions, or while performing of the any type of multiplications, and while performing of the any type of divisions, at the same time while performing of the any type of incrementations. Incrementations any type in the sense plus operator, and post increment to pre increment. Divisions means quotient division or modular division, both. multiplication, sir. Normal multiplication, exponent value, both. Subtraction, sir. Arithmetic operator minus and decrement operator minus minus. That is all types of subtraction. And in your expression, expression means yesterday only we discussed that one. In your expression, minus symbol available, auto parsing. In your expression, multiplication related any symbol is there, auto parsing. In your expression, division type of any symbol is there, auto parsing. In your expression, any incrementation type of operator is there. So your expression contains any of these operators, then you don't worry, sir, system will responsible of that one. But what about the other than these symbols, sir? But addition symbol, addition means plus. Plus available in this list or not? But plus in this list available or not? Huh? Where is that? The subtraction, the multiplication, the division, the incrementation, addition where it is here. Incrementation, what I said, any type of plus plus, post incrementation, pre incrementation, addition, addition not included in this one. Suppose I have greater than in this list available, not that. So when you are working with these symbols, so you have to follow the manual parsing. Like yesterday, no, day before yesterday, no, 25 symbols we completed. 25 symbols. 25 to 30 symbols completed. In the 25 to 30 symbols, so here around 7 symbols are comes. The 7 operators. The remaining 14 plus operators comes under the manual parsing. So I have a lot of doubt on you. Then I'll write the list. Wait. Minus star, double star, slash, percentage, plus plus, minus minus. This is what I mentioned here, sir, and these are. So minus, multiplication, exponent, coefficient division, remainder, incrementation, decrementation. While working with these 7 operators, auto parsing is activated. Other than these 7 operators, programmer write their own code. Then how to perform the manual parsing, sir? 2 options available. One, by using the functions. Second one, by using the operator. We have functions and we have the operators. Which one you are interested, use that one. That's not a problem. So the first one, using functions. How many functions we have, sir? 2 functions available, sir. One is the parse int, second one is the parse float. Parse int and parse float. Manual parsing, first option, using functions. Manual parsing, second option, using the operator. So manual parsing we can perform by using operator. Manual parsing we can perform by using the functions. First I'm listing the functions. The very first function names are parse int. What it is? It is one of the predefined function of the window object. Window object continuation. Already 3 functions completed. This is the 4th and 5th one. So it's one of the predefined function provided by the window object. What is the purpose of this one, sir? It is used to string based integers are converting into integers. It is used to convert the string base, not only integers, numbers. You can write the numbers, no problem. String based numbers are converting into integer format. Your data available in string format, that one it is changing into original number format. This is the syntax, sir. Window dot parse integer of value. Window dot parse integer of value. So we have to write compulsory one string here. The string inside should be presents the number. The string should contain internally number compulsory. If other than number is comes, sir, we'll get the nonce. This is string, sir. It is a string, but it is 100, sir. Sir, it is 100, but it is available in quotations. So it is a string. Data available in string format. The string format data I'm converting into original format, integer format. This is called as parsing. Similarly, this is also string and converting into original format. So all the data comes in quotations. All the data comes into quotations. But what are the data available here? The data I'm extracting from the quotations. The data I'm extracting from the quotations. So extracting from the quotations is called as dragging. Data available inside the quotation, hold the data and drag like this. That is called as parsing. So first one 100, second one 10, third one nano. Why second one 10 sir, 0.78 missing, sir? Because we use integer. We use it here integer. Integer not accepting any points. Why the third one, sir? Third one, it is a original string. The real string, sir. The real string converting into any other format is not possible. So we got indirect error, that is a nan. It's not a number. I can't parse. Which number is acting as a string? Which number is acting as a string? Those we can convert into numbers. Who are original strings? Those we can't do. Original string parsing not possible. The number is acting like as a string, we can change that one. So the same way parse floats are same meaning, but the data changing into parse format to floating format. So it is also predefined function of the window object, and it is also used to change the data from string format to the floating point. String format to floating point. And function is window dot parse float of your data. And result also same as say that. First function to this function, what is the difference, sir? First function points not allowed, sir. This function points allowed. The integer based function, this is the floating based function. So this is manual parsing by using functions. Manual parsing by using functions. Now manual parsing by using operator. So this is another operator, sir. Already 8 types of operators yesterday completed, and this is the 9th one. Parse operator. So who is that operator, sir? Plus. The plus symbol is the parse operator. But you said yesterday plus is the addition one time, and another time you said the plus is concatenation, sir. Yesterday I given this clue. You remember one operator doing the many works. Yesterday I already said, sir. So we know already two pluses. One arithmetic plus we know, one concatenation plus we know. And now this is the third plus. మీకు అపరిచిత ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ నాట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ మరి this situation I explained. One operator playing the multiple roles ni అపరిచిత example explained. So this is which category, sir? Unary operator, sir. Plus is the unary operator. And unary operator means only one side we have to use, like as increment and decrement operator. Can I use any side as sir? No, any side not allowed, only prefix. It is unary operator and you must be use only prefix. Suffix or postfix, it not allowed, sir. It must be used in the prefix. A variable left side only we have to use, or your value left side only we have to use. Syntax available in the next line. See that one. Your variable before plus operator. Variable before plus operator. But inside this variable, which data available, the data is converting into number formats. The data converting into number formats. So implementation is like this. This is the string. Before that I used the plus and I'll get the integer 10. It is also string. Before that I used the parse operator and I'll get the 10.56. Operator could observe that one. Inside integer available, you will get the answer is integer. Inside floating point available, you will get the answer as a floating point. It in one. They can work like as a parse int, they can work like as a parse float. And original string available, sir. Answer is NaN. So through functions we can perform parsing. Through operator also we can perform parsing. No problem. So manual parsing, auto parsing. In manual parsing, again two options, with the support of functions or with the support of operator.
अभी तो मसाला क्या देखा जा सकता हूँ ना।
So first, implicit parsing I am demonstrating here. Implicit nothing but an auto parsing. We don't need to write any special functions. We don't need to write any special operators, sir. System is passing the data, system is performing the calculations also. A JavaScript specialization, auto parsing. Parsing available in every language, but auto parsing not available in every language. So .NET we have the parsing, Java also we have the parsing, even Python also you have the parsing, but auto parsing not available. Especially Java and .NET no auto parsing. 100% manual parsing only you have to follow. But here some operators auto parsing, some operators manual pass, and some button reduced on us. Not complete button, some button reduced on us. Suppose let x equals to 14. 14 is a number, but right now it is acting like as a string. Next y equals to some 5. 5 is also number, but it is acting like as a string. But what is your problem, sir, if the data available in string, sir? Whenever the data is there in string, some arithmetic operations are not supported. Then only parsing required. Data available in string format, what's your problem, sir? And some operations you can't perform. But if I did the comparison on this one, sir, string comparison performing, but not the numeric comparison. Number comparison means, sir, and total number at a time checking. String comparison means what, sir, and first letter, second letter, third letter is checking. At that time, you are not getting accurate answers, sir. So then only data parsing is compulsory. Maybe somebody they are thinking internally, So why you are taking in string format, sir? If you take directly number format, we don't need parsing as sir. Correct కదా? If I take the data directly number format, we don't need any parsing. Right? Huh? Then why I'm taking in string? So data accepting in string format, why? Parsing, why? If we take the directly data in number format, so we don't need any parsing. Then why this instead of huh? Any idea? Point to understand a question, understand or not? Huh? Direct గా పోయేదానికి అడ్డదిడ్డంగా పోవటం ఎందుకు అని అడుగుతున్నారు. If you go for straight directly number, would you 15 to 20 minutes explanation no need కదా? Extra functions no need, extra operators also no need కదా? Why this one like this? తిప్పి 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 అంటే పెయిన్ కూడా వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ చూస్తే పోయి డైరెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. Nobody doesn't knows. So programming, if you have anybody coding knowledge, if you know any language, I think you should know this point. The coding knowledge, no idea, sir, and no chance to get this answer. 100% not possible. You have already some language knowledge, the C, no C++, so Java, no .NET, or Python, or use something. Conformly, you know this point. Data assign in the same format. To prevent to do so in our computers, if you take the data from users in any language, by default, data comes in string format. It's a rule. Computers rule. Any software, any language, input values always comes in the string format. Why, sir? Charles Babbage designed the system like that. Who is that animal? Don't ask him. Charles Babbage, system architect and designer. Actually, data comes in binary format. But binary format data is given to us getting the problem because the zeros ones we can't understand. Then only OS what it is doing. OS means operating system. What OS doing, sir? This binary data converting into string and giving the data in string format. So if you type any data, they comes finally in the string format only. It's a rule in computers. Every language they must follow this rule. Compulsory. C language to up to data science, artificial intelligence also they should follow this rule. So by using keyboard. If you type anything in any software, finally they comes in quotations. Actually comes in binary because system always dealing with the binary. But 100 I typed, 100 is giving in the binary format. I'm getting the problem because 100 is binary is ante 110000 other one is something else. Understanding problem for me. Then only OS what it is doing sir, and this binary data converting into string format and handles and saying in which format you are interested, pass into that format. So parsing purpose, every language providing some functions like this. Every language available this concept. So when you are stopping the data in string format, then only
Hello.
if topic we don't
नवा
know,
आ गया
but we are unable to stop it, sir.
नवा आ
Compulsory we
गया
should
क्या
use
करिए
this one.
हाँ हाँ
So why I'm
वो
taking the
कटिंग
data
वो
here and said by
मूड मूड आ
default nature of the computers.
हाँ हाँ
So if you type the integer long
मेरा
double
हो गया
boolean
दीपू
byte
अभी है
short
लाइन में
character string
दीपू होगा अभी कोई खाली ना बैठे ना
or object arrays whatever it may be. The fixed number.
अबे तो उनको नहीं मुड़वाना ना
So that is the reason.
हाँ
That's why here also I'm taking in the data string format only. So if I take the number, this is problem and not available. But numbers we can't take. Even in runtime program, while asking of the system if you are giving the number, but internally it is comes in this format only. So now starting operations, sir. Document dot write. But my data available in the string format. I'm doing some subtraction here. Working as sir. Sir, 100% it is working. Subtracting your data successfully and displaying the result also. See this one. But data available in string format, yes, sir. In minus which list? Minus available in which list? Auto parsing list. Then only they parsed automatically. They're giving the answer automatically. No, no. Minus means subtraction here. Subtraction is comes under the auto parsing. Not copied, huh? Hmm. Doubtfully saying, hmm. So these are the auto parsing list. Similarly, I'm performing a small multiplication, auto parsing. Similarly, I'm performing a increment of operation. Okay, do all the things. Multiplication after what? Star value. Y to the power of 4. Auto parsing. And next one, I'm performing the division operation. X slash Y. Auto parsing. Next one, X percentage Y. Auto parsing. Next one, plus X. Incrementation operator. Auto parsing. Next one is minus Y. Auto parsing. All these 7 auto parsing: subtraction, multiplication, exponential, coefficient, modular, increment and decrement. All are auto parsing. Really, yes, sir. Check it. We have all answers properly, perfectly. Addition, multiplication, exponent, power value, coefficient, modular, incrementation, decrementation. That's all. I'm not performed anything specially. But auto parsing, not performing situations also I'm showing. I'm declaring 2 additional variables, separate variables. Some I equals to 13, J equals to 9. two variables I have here, and let res equals to I plus j. Res equals to I plus j, and print that output. Print the res. Expected answer 21, but system showing answer 139 because of no auto parsing. No auto parsing. Why it's not performing auto parsing, sir? We used plus left side string available plus right side string available. But now plus is playing as a concatenation role. But you said parse operator of 10 minutes back, sir. Appreciated movie, remember. One plus three roles playing. One hero, three characters playing. Arithmetic plus, concatenation plus, parsing plus. Three pluses. But single plus we have. So Vikram playing the three characters. Which character comes out based on the incident is happens in front of that person. No responses, no reactions. Next station onwards, I didn't ask any questions. 100% I'm not going to asking any question. I'm not raising any point. Silently I'm going to explaining myself. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. And so here we are using the function here, window dot parse integer of I and window dot parse float of j. Sorry, parse integer A. Both the user the integer only, sir. First I'm parsing and then adding. First I'm parsing and then adding, and you will get the proper answer here. So manual parsing, why required any reason? A problem I shown first, then I implemented. And similarly, the same activity, how can perform with the operators, sir? That also I'm writing here. So plus x, the parse x greater than, sorry, x kada I kada, plus I, parse I greater than plus j. So first parse the I variable, then parse the j variable, and then compare with this one. How can say first parsing only doing and then greater than only doing, sir. Yesterday I already explained, sir, operator precedency. In that operator precedency plus operator having higher priority of the relational operators. That is the reason. There is no miracle. Operator priorities, if you remember really, you can easily identify which is working first, which is not working, which is working second. If you follow the bottommost principle, you can't identify that one. This is the answer is true. By chance, if I am not used any parsing, sir, we'll get the answer false because comparison is performed in the mode of string. Number is checking, but it's checking the number in the string format. Then we'll get like this. So for getting of the accurate answers, we have to do the parsing compulsory like this. So except these 7 operators, if you are using any operator, you must and should use the manual parsing. Otherwise, sir, answer comes, no doubt at all, but is 100% wrong answer. But mostly as a learner, we are checking what system showing answer or not, we are checking. But is right answer or not? 70% of people they are not checking. 20 to 30% they are checking. Answer right or not. Majority of the students what they are doing, sir, at a program executed, something display, a program correct. Pakka proof కావాలంటే చూపిస్తారు. So answer check, we are not checking. So mistakes identification is not possible. Program completing and a feeling అయితే comes. So if you are not doing the parsing also, still will get the answer, no doubt at all. But 100% wrong answer only. Like that, greater than, less than, equal, not equal, further operations, anything if you use, parsing is compulsory. I'm just going to performing the some less than or equals to, sir. Compulsory parsing. If you use the parsing, accurate answer comes. If you are not using the parsing, wrong output is comes, but error not comes. So both I demonstrated, sir. Auto parsing I done, manual parsing I done, manual parsing with the function I shown, manual parsing with the operator also I shown. All models I completed. With this one, the basics of JavaScript is over, sir. One level we crossed in JavaScript. One step completed and matter. So variables, data types, operators, parsing, dialog boxes, primitive data types, non-primitive data types, loosely typed, dynamically typing, redefinition, hoisting. These are the points what we completed up to now. Points wise I just said. So next session we are moving to the second level of the JavaScript. But what are the things I explained in the 16 programs? Well, coming to next section now, try to refer once. Second point, sir. Well, coming to the next session now, on a HTML input elements available, that one refer it once. Because next program onwards, HTML, JavaScript, I'm going to combining. But these 16 programs completed. I never used HTML. HTML not used, just one script tag I'm using and